Let me see. Okay, let's try this particular question here. This is question 1. Question 1.
This one can use calculator or not?
Yes, this is paper 2. We are now going to paper 2 already. This is paper 2. So do your best. You can use your calculator.
My answer is 14.
14. Okay, we wait for the rest. But meanwhile, you can try the next question. Raihana, you there, Raihana? We are starting, Raihana. We have started. If you
My answer for 2 is 1.27 meters.
okay. Sorry. Who is that? Raihana got this 14. What about Zahira?
14.
Zahira, 14 also. Paging Zahira, do you get it? Number 1? Not yet. Okay, so your Raihana, you try the next question.
Paper 2.
Yeah, this is paper 2. So you can use a calculator. Okay, Zahira, you know how to do, Zahira? Sophia? 4 marks. Congratulations. And congratulations to Raihana. So for the first question. So look, it's not too tough, okay? PSLE is not too tough. You just need to be careful. This one first, the first two, I must say, Sophia, is careful. You have done such questions before, Sophia?
What paper is this?
This is, okay, let's see.
You didn't know already? Yes.
SCGS. SCGS.
I think I did this paper before.
Okay.
I don't know lah, I'm not sure.
Yeah. Normally they will recycle some of the questions. Maybe you have or you have not. Okay, what about Ms. Zahira? Can you do question number 1? You're still busy doing, no problem. Meanwhile, we'll give a mental sum to Sophia. Okay, but go do mentally. Okay, Sophia, can you use calculator mentally? 13 times 9.
Wait. 13 times 9. 127. You know, 927.
You take 13. Cannot be now. 30. What's 13 times 10?
130.
Minus 13. So you minus the 10 first. How much you get? Minus the 10. 130 minus 10.
120.
Minus another 3. Yes, Diana.
The second one, 2.58.
Okay, let's see.
170.
1, 2. Yes, 170. So you just times 10 and then you minus the 13. We'll try another one while Rahana, you try again. Question number 2.
The answer is 0.45.
Okay.
0.645.
0.64. Okay, cannot be too short. No, this one now. Okay, never mind. We will go through step by step in a moment. Zahira, have we gotten the first answer? Yes, no, Zahira. If not, we go through. We go through, Can we go through? Okay, we go through the first one. So they say 25% of the boys wear spectacles. So 25% is 25 divided by 100 times by 16. You get 4. The answer, you get 4. So 4 boys wear spectacles. All right. Then after the next one, same thing. You want 40%. 40 divided by 100 times 25. You will get 10 girls wear spectacles. So how many boys and girls wear spectacles? 10 plus 4 equals to 14. And there you have 4 marks. 2 marks. 2 marks. This is 2 marks each. Now, the next one now. Okay, we give you some more time, Miss Raihana and Zahira, to try this. 2 minutes while I test Sophia with another question. Sophia, what is 16 times 11? 16 times 11. Don't use a calculator. Why are you looking down? You're
Not using
writing.
my calculator. My answer is 176.
How do you get 176 mentally? Tell me. You times by 10 first, plus 16. Times 10. 16 times 10, 160. Then plus 16. If you do not know how to pressing, plus the 10 first, then plus the 6. Okay, we try another one. 27 times 9. Why is she looking down? She's, times 10.
243.
Yeah, but how you do it? Times 10, you get 270. Then minus 27, you get 243. If you can't minus 27, minus 20 first.
I cannot lah. I cannot like that.
Can. You must be able.
What
Muslims
plus
are.
27?
Okay, now you see it. 27 times 9, you make it 27 times 10. What's your answer? 27 times 10.
270.
So 270, but you times 10, you're supposed to times 9, right? So you must minus 27. Minus 127. So if you're confused how to minus 27, minus 20 first, and then minus a 7. So 270 minus 20, 250. Then you minus 7, 243. We try one more time. 9 times, let me see, 9 times, oh my goodness, why am I so, sorry. Okay, this one is not so good, okay. 9 times 24. 9 times 24.
My answer is 1.27.
1.27 for number 2, okay. What about Rahana? Can you get it?
Answer is 216.
216. Yes, okay, well done.
Yeah, I didn't get it.
Okay, so we're going to go through. All right, very simple. We're going to ask you, Ms. Raihana, you tell us. The average height of the 3 children is 1.25. What's the total height of the 3 children? Total height?
3.5.
3 times 1.25, right? Correct? What do you get? 3.75. Do you get that, Raihana?
Yes.
This is total of 3 children. Then the 4th child is 1.33. So we add up the 4th child. 3.75 plus the 4th child is 1.33. So you will get 4 point or 5 point something, is it? 5.08. Now they want you to find the average of the 4 children. So 5.08 divide by 4. That's it. What do you do wrong? You know what you did wrong?
Mr. Shaheed?
Yeah.
Today I think she never go in because she's sleeping. She's very tired.
Very tired, huh? Okay, no problem. Okay, no problem. Okay, all right, we move on to the next one, okay? So the next one, let us see. Number 3. Oh, can you see down here? Ay.
I don't understand this question.
Okay, so they say you have now, okay, I'm going to draw it on the whiteboard, okay? I draw it on the whiteboard. There's this shelf. We are going to draw the shelf. So the shelf over here, all right, we have this shelf here. Now, if you put files, now files are big, right? This type of files, they are big, right? So if you put the files here, you will have 18 files. You can put in 18 files. But if you do not put in the files and you put in exercise books are thinner, right? So they're thinner, you can put in more. All right, this is putting in. You can put in 42 exercise books. Okay, so that's what they're saying. Now, they're asking you if here has Mr. Tan has filled up with 14 exercise books, not 42. he filled up with 14 exercise books. Then how many more files can he fit in here? Okay, that is what the question is asking. Let me, do you get it, Rahana? You understand the question?
Yes.
Okay, but you don't seem happy about the question. It's okay. Clue, ratio. Clue, ratio.
Oh my god, I did this method before.
What method? Ratio.
Yeah.
Okay.
My answer is 6 files.
6 files. We are sorry to tell you that your answer is incorrect. Please try again. Incorrect. Incorrect means not correct. Please try again.
This one have to do.
The answer
Sorry?
6. Is the answer,
Answer
6?
no. I must ask you all how you'll get 6. Okay. I
Divide
just divide by what divide by what?
3.
18 divided by 3.
42. 18
Yeah.
divided by 3 get 6. Okay. Okay. What about Zahira? Can do Zahira? Can you do Zahira? Okay. I can do, or you want me to explain? I cannot hear you. Explain. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the ratio method. Okay, ratio. What's the ratio method? Let's say now, files is to exercise books. Now they say that it can take 18 school files, or it can take 42 exercise books. So let us find the ratio between 18 is to 42. I divide by 2. I divide by 2, I get 9. 18 divided by 2 get 9, right? 42 divided by 2, 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So this is the ratio. I can divide some more. I want to bring it to lowest terms. I can divide by 3. 9 divided by 3, I get 3. 1 divided by 3, I get 7. What does it mean? That means for every 3 files you put in, you can put in 7 exercise books. For every 3 files is 7 exercise books. Now he put how many exercise books? 14. 14. So from 7, how do you get 14 from 7? From 7 to 14, you times what? Times 2. So 3 times 2, you get 6 over here. So when he put his 14 exercise books, it is the same like putting 6 files. So imagine now he got 6 files on the shelf. How many more files can he put? Because the files can contain 18. The files, one shelf can contain 18. And this exercise books, 14 exercise books is the same as 6 files. So all you need to do is just take the last step. 18 files is what it can take if there's nothing there. All files is 18 files. And we calculated that the 14 exercise books is the same as 6 files. So I minus 6, I get 12. 12 more files can be put in. Okay, so you don't get it. So I will have to come out with a new question. Do you get it or don't get it? Don't get it. Okay, now. Okay, I will say. Lala. Okay, now I'm going to give you has a bookshelf. Bookshelf. Okay, this is now the question. Okay, which can be fully packed with 100 books. Either 100 books with either. That means you cannot have both. is either 100 books all there or all together, or 10 files. Okay. Now, either 100 book or 10 files. If there are 20 books in the bookshelf, how many files can Lala place in the bookshelf? Place into the bookshelf. Okay, this is the same question. Same question. You try now. Lala has a bookshelf, which if you fully pack it with books, it's 100 books. If you fully pack it with files, it's 10 files. It's either you put in 100 books or 10 files. Now there's already 20 books here. How many more files? How many files can she place into the bookshelf?
Nine.
In do this ratio lah. One file is the same like how many books? One file is the same as how many?
10 minus 9. 10 minus 1 what?
Why 10 minus 1? 20 books is the same as how many files?
Ah,
What?
20 books has the same width as how many files?
the same as 10.
10 files. Okay, let's see. What you can either fill it with 10 files or
No, it's same as
Hun-
80.
80. Ah, okay. You're almost there. You're almost there. Almost there. Hey, what happened to our friend Zahira? Hilang, huh?
I think she accidentally left.
Maybe she joined the cousin. Okay, so 10 files have the same width as 100 books. So we reduce our divide by 10. So one file is roughly the same as 10 books. So 20 books is the same as how many files? 20 books.
1.
Why one? One is the same, one file is the same as 10 books.
Oh, 2.
Two, now you know already.
Is it times 2?
She got no signal. Yeah, you times 2 from 10, you times 2, you get 20. So 1, you times 2. Okay, maybe you don't get this one. Yeah? So now this 20 books is the same like 2 files. How many more files can you put? One shelf can take, the bookshelf can take 10 files. Now you got 20 books, which is the same as 2 files. 8 more, yes. So when Raihana says 80, she can take 8, the shelf can take 80 more books. Now 80 more books is the same as, now we come. How to get 80 from here? Well, you times 8. Times 8, you get 80. 10 times 8, get 80. So 1 times 8 is 8. 8 files. So I will show you down here, okay? You get what I'm saying? Do you get it?
Yeah.
Okay, so down here, this is now fitting in the files, okay? Fitting in the files. So this is a bookshelf, all right? You can put 100 books, so many books. Or you can, the same shelf, you can only put 10 files. Okay, this is probably 10 files. 100 books will be so many, right? So then we do the ratio. Files is to books. 10 files is to 100. That's the ratio. 10 files is to 100. So you divide by 10, divide by 10. Oh, one file has the same width as 10 books. You have 10 books together, it's the same as one file. So now you got 20 books. If 10 books is the same as one file, 20 books is the same as 2 files. So now 2 files taken up. So you got balance 8 more files. Because this shelf can take 10 files. All right, so down here you have 20 books. How you get 20? 10 times 2, get 20. Then 1 times 2, so you get 2 files. 2 files is the same, has the same width as 20 books. Now remember, it can take 10 files. So already 2 files taken up by the books. 2 file space is taken up by the books. There's still space for 8 more. 10 minus 2, get 8 more files. You get it? We give you one more question, okay? One more question, okay? You try to get it so that you master this. You master this. Okay, you all can do it. Raihana, are you okay?
Yeah.
You sound so sad. What happened? You getting it now? Am I speaking too fast?
No.
No, huh? Okay, JJ. Okay. Can eat either 40 frogs or 20 drumsticks. Okay. His stomach can take this. Same question, hello? Same question. JJ can eat either 40 frogs or 20 drumsticks. Okay. Now, JJ, our Zahira is coming. So JJ ate. Okay, hello Miss Zahira, welcome back. Okay, we are doing this question. Okay, JJ, his stomach can fit. If you eat frogs, he can take 40 frogs. Or eat drumstick, he can eat 20 drumsticks. Either one, not both. Either one. So JJ ate. He ate. Let's see, 24 frogs. Imagine. How many drumsticks can he
Why
eat?
frogs? Why
Okay,
not
then
something else?
Okay, what you want? Fish. Okay, fish.
Turkeys.
Turkey very big. Okay, the fish.
Then you say frog
Fish cake
also
fish cake. Fish ball. Okay, fish ball.
Balls.
Okay, you don't like fish ball. Okay, now JJ ate 24 fish balls. The question is, how many drumsticks can he now eat? Maximum number. How many more can he put inside his stomach? Same method.
Mr. Shaheed,
Yes.
for the above one, right? Why you times 8 and times like 2?
For the above one, sorry.
To get 8.
8. Why you times 2?
No, I mean like why you times 8 and 2?
No, 8 I just showed. Okay, I just show like that. This one was 2 is okay lah. No, there's now I showed was showing is the same as 80.
So we have to times 2 lah.
Down here you times 2 because 20 books, right? Earlier question is 20 books, right? 20 books. So you times 2 to make it 20.
Oh, okay.
Now you got to make it 24. Rahana, you got it, Rahana? Okay, we have Zahira entering again. She seems to be playing in and out. Welcome back, Ms. Zahira. We are very glad to have you. We miss you very much. We were very sad when you disappeared. So JJ can eat either 40 fish balls or 20 drumsticks. And he being so galojo, he going to eat 24. Frogs, okay lah. Frog balls also can. Snails also can.
No.
Have you eaten snails before? Any of you? Are you sure? Siput.
Yes.
Siput is a snail, man. Although Dragon Malfoy. Okay, Ms. Zahira, can get Zahira? Because you missed out the earlier question, so it might be a little bit. Notice, paper 2, the practice a little bit slow, it's okay. The main thing is you guys score for paper 1 and for paper 2, make sure you get the first 10 as correct as possible.
My answer is 12.
12. Well, 12 would be okay. 12 is the same as how many fishball? 12 what? 12 drumsticks is the same as how many fishball?
24.
But he ate 24 fish balls. How many more fish balls can he eat? After eating 24, how many more can he eat fish balls?
40 minus 24.
Equals to?
16.
So 16 fish balls is equals to how many drumsticks?
Uh, 8. Wait.
Do you get it or not? What do you
Oh,
have
yeah.
done?
I get it. I get
Okay.
it. Thank you.
Okay, so now what about Zahira? Do you get it, Zahira? Zahira looks sad. Yeah. Why? Wi-Fi not good. Okay, it's okay. Raihana, do you get it, Raihana?
Yeah.
Yes. What's your answer?
Wait.
You see, you get it, you see. All right. Okay, we're going to explain in a moment, okay? I'm just going to draw over here. So this is either or, this is ratio. Okay. All right, now. This is the stomach lah. Okay, stomach. Like a pregnant. Okay. So he eats down here, he can eat either 40 fish balls lah. Okay. Or
That's not helping.
yeah, but some people like it. No, they buy from Old Chunky, yeah. Or he can eat 20 drumsticks, drumsticks. You know drumsticks. How many drumsticks it is? Okay, so 20 drumsticks. So we put a fish ball, ratio of fish ball to drumsticks. 40 is to 20. Okay? 4 is to 2. Can divide someone, can divide by 2. 2 is to 1. For every 2 fish ball, he can eat 1 drumstick. So, their question says that he ate 24 fish ball. 24 fish ball. How you get 24? You 2 times 12. So you times 12. So this is the same as eating 12 drumsticks. Eating 24 fish ball is the same as eating 12 drumsticks. Now his stomach can take 20 drumsticks. So he can eat another.
Mr. Shaheed, you can also 20 minus 8, right? 20 minus, yeah.
12,
Right.
yeah. So you can eat 8 more drumsticks. Okay, you watch the video, all right? And then, or if you need to try to actually eat the fish ball and drumstick, you try lah. Husna is coming in. All right, here we go. Okay, now we move on. Okay, we'll move on to the next one. Now we are at question number 4. So it will get a little bit more tricky. Okay, this one you don't need to do. Question number 4. Question number 5. This is Hannah's favorite. It's not your favorite. Okay.
Okay. Wait.
Okay.
$87.
87. Congratulations. Even the answer key is wrong. You did it better than the teacher, Rahana. Congratulations. So this is 2 marks. This is paper 2, no, Rahana. This is question number.
Wrong, Shaheed.
Sorry?
Even the paper wrong.
Yeah, paper is also wrong. Sometimes they write the wrong answer key. But you see, you can do question number 5 of paper 2. Yes. Oh, okay. Maybe they put an E there. So whatever it is, yeah, we are gearing up now. We have only 3 weeks more.
The answer is 87 now.
87. Congratulations. Do you get 87?
Yeah. I just play with the
okay.
numbers.
180 minus 74 divided by 2, then 180 minus 40 minus 53.
Yes. Well done. Okay. You're waiting for Shafika. Do you get it, Shafika?
What's the answer? My answer.
Answer, your friend says 87.
$87.
87. Okay, great. Okay, so okay, you check your answer. Okay, I'm now just going to show you. This is now the isosceles triangle. And they tell you that AC is the same as BC. So these two lines are the same. So the sandwich angle is the only angle is different. These two are the same. These two angles are the same. So what do we do? Okay, what we do is we take 180 minus 74 first. You get 106. 106 is for these two angles. You divide it by 2. 106 divided by 2, you will get 53. See how I get 53 very fast? 10 divided by 2 is 5. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 53. So this now, this angle here is 53. So now you know this angle is 53. This is 40. 180 minus 40 minus 53 give you this angle which is 87. Congratulations. Do you get it, Zahira? Get it, Nana? Get it, huh? So again, this is isosceles. These two sides are the same. Now, we remember, whenever isosceles is like that, is the sandwich angle is different. This one on here is different. Okay, I put my nose on here. Can you see? The nose part is different. The other two angles down here is the same. Okay, if let's say it's like that, is this side touching and here is the different angle. These two are the same. Okay, just remember that. Okay, I think I better test you on this one. I don't know whether you know. Okay, we will check. Yeah, I'm now going to not draw it according to scale. We're going to test Zahira first. Okay, this one look at isosceles. Okay, we call this A, B, C. Now, Zahira, which angle is different? This isosceles, which angle is different? Down here. Zahira, look here. A, B, or C? Which angle is different? Why are you looking down? Which angle is different? A, B, or C? Isosceles triangle. Hira.
That one.
That one is which one? A, B, or C? Huh? A, B, C. Which one?
B and C.
B and C are the same, you're correct. But I'm asking you which one is different. A is different.
Yeah.
So it's the sandwich angle down here in between when it's touching. This is the different one. These two are the same. Now we'll try now with, okay, we'll try with Sophia. Okay, A, B, C. Which two angles are the same?
A
For
and
this one.
C.
Which two angles are the same? Okay, good. Okay, you all know what to do. I don't need to test everyone. Okay, you all get it ready. Now remember, you can do question number 5 of paper 2. So let us try question number 6. You can do it. You have to believe you can do it. You have to be now down here. There's now was 2 marks, no? So now question 6 here. This is how many marks is this? Let us see. 3 marks. 3 marks. Find the area that, sorry, the figure below shows 2 overlapping. Find the area of the figure given area of this figure. Okay. Given a triangle AEC, this small triangle is 15 cm.
Huh?
Okay. They want you to find this.
How did they even get 15?
They give you that this one inside is 15. They just tell you this one inside of here is 15. This one, the one I'm coloring, inside here, this one. They need to tell you it's 15. Otherwise, you cannot find. You try first. They want you. Can you find?
10 times what is 15?
No, they did not tell you. They just tell you that this part down here, okay, is 15. They didn't tell you. Let me remove this one. Okay, they just tell you that this part down here is 15 square cm.
25
You get 75.
So that part is 15. No.
Yeah, this one is 15.
No, but then how do you get
It's very,
15?
they are not going to tell you, but they just tell you that so that later you can do something to it. You need
But
to
we
do
have to
something
find
to
out,
it.
right? 10 times what? 15.
No
Half
need.
times 10 times
No
what?
need.
Half times 3
No need.
times 10 equals 16.
Yes, correct. Correct.
Oh.
Half times 3 times 10. Half times 3 times 10. Yes, well done. So in other words, down height here is 3, but it doesn't make
Answer
any
45.
difference. Answer is 45.
45.
Congratulations, Miss. That's the answer according to the answer key. Let me just check, okay, and do my calculation now. Okay.
A, B, C minus 15, then A, G,
Yeah,
minus
congratulations.
15, then
Well, not bad, huh, Miss Rahana? Question number
So
6.
clever.
You got 3 points. Clever, actually.
I don't understand.
You must find the whole thing.
You must find the whole thing. The whole thing, okay. Sophia, can you find this triangle area? Can?
Yeah.
Can, huh? Okay, now can you find this triangle?
Where?
Can? This one can? This one? Can or cannot? They give you, do you have the base? Do you have the height?
Yeah.
So you can find.
35.
Yes. But the problem is, if you add the two triangle areas together, you are counting this part 2 times. Correct or not? That's why you need to do something to the 15, which Rahana has done. Oh, very good, Rahana.
What 50? Where got 50?
They tell you this is 15 here.
Oh, divide
This
by
yellow part, this ingos down here is 15. Ingos.
must divide.
Not divide.
Wait, what's the answer? 35 45.
You say 45.
No, my answer is 35.
35 is only for this triangle, miss. They want you to find this one. This
Is
one
it
is only
25 plus 35 and then 60, right?
so
After that 60
sorry.
minus 50. Oh, 45. Okay.
25. No. What do you say? 25 plus 35. Yeah, correct. Yeah? But do you understand what you have done?
Yeah, no, because right now I'm 60 minus 25.
Okay, good. Shafika, come in, Shafika. What's your answer, Shafika? Can you do it? Come in,
What is the
Shafika.
final answer?
Shafika, are you there? Beijing? For
What's the
Shafika.
final answer?
Final answer is 45.
I get 35.
Okay, so now you tell me, can you find this area of this triangle? Yes? How much? How much you get? Okay, do mentally lah. Well, how come you look like that? Very angry. Okay, but anyway. So how much is this, Miss Zahira?
Is it 35?
Good. Okay, then how much is this one?
Okay, what is 35?
Good. Okay, now you almost get it already. Now let's say now, if you go in plus the 2, what did I do?
60.
60. But you know when you plus the 2, what you're doing. Okay, let us label.
Shahid,
Yes, miss.
what time tuitions finish?
Oh, you. Tuition will finish at 9. I'm so sorry, it's 9. This is A.
Oh, 9:30 finish.
Okay, 9:30 then. B. Okay. And
Oh,
this
I
is
know.
C. So now when you take 25 plus 35, you are taking A. 25 is A plus B. 35 is B plus C. You are counting B 2 times. That's why you need to minus this B. Because this figure has 1A, 1B, 1C. So you must minus the 15. So when you get 60, you must minus the 15. Do you understand? Zahira, I'm talking to her, she's looking somewhere else. Zahira, you understand or not?
Yes.
You understand? Why must we minus 15?
Because if you never minus 50, means you plus the angle A,
The part B double, huh? Okay, good. Shafika, are you there, Shafika? Do you understand, Shafika? Okay, we take that as a yes. I'm so sorry, we have to take it as yes, I do not know. Okay,
Mr.
no.
Shahid, later can I ask you a question
Yeah, you can answer.
about my
Yeah,
homework?
Sure. Why don't you show us your homework?
Huh?
Show us your homework,
But-
then we do. Okay, you WhatsApp me now. You WhatsApp me the homework, and then I will write the question about. Okay, can you try this question? Question number 7, and then after the question number 7, we will do. Just hold on, just one second. Okay, just 1 second, 1 minute, one minute. I'm going to show you question number 7, but I just need to double check something. Okay.
Draco Malfoy.
Draco Malfoy. Okay. Here we go. Okay.
Yo, what's the
Okay,
question?
now the question is here.
Mr. Shaheed,
Yes. You WhatsApp me already?
I cannot do picture lah because my phone is only 2%, and there's something wrong with my.
Okay, no problem. Later you read out to me, can? Or you can.
I just take picture and that one, and then I screen share lah.
Okay, can? You want to screen share now or what? Your battery will die. No, right?
What? No, that one
Okay,
my
later
phone.
after this question you can. Okay, good. Okay, after this you take a screenshot. On files. Breaking my head as well.
Is the answer 14?
No, they say the answer is not 14, but let us see. I'm still figuring out myself.
Oh, no, it's okay, it's okay. Listen. Sorry, yeah. Sorry, Chair.
Yeah? Why sorry?
Talking to my little brother.
The thing is, I don't understand the question.
Okay, we will come to this shortly.
Is answer 18?
No, not 18. Not 18. Okay, I'm going to allow Miss, what's her name, to share, screen share, okay? So you screen share your,
Wait.
okay, I'll allow you to screen share now. And then while the screen share, we will have a look at it. Okay. Are you screen sharing? We wait for. Okay, let's try to do this. Can we try to do this?
Huh?
Let's try to do this one. This question 16 first. This is a paper 2 question.
Yes.
Okay, so you try. Okay, you raise your hand, Rahana, means you know how to do this. Okay, maybe before we do this, before we do this, come you stop the screen share. Stop the screen share for a while. Okay, now I'm just going to show you how to find. In order to know how to do that, you must know how to do this. So I'm going to give you a question like that. Okay, this is now 7 cm. This is also 7 cm. They want you to find the shaded part. Can you find the area of the shaded part first? If you know this, then you know how to find, because they are, you can use 22/7. Use you tell me step by, because they want you to find, if you look at the drawing that's now, they want you to find something like that. In order to find something, you must know how to find this one first. So let us see whether can you find this one. You tell me the steps. You don't need to do. Just tell me the steps. Anyone? Tell me the steps.
1/4.
Okay. One.
I want
Yeah.
to
Okay.
say.
Yes. Yes. Whoever. Okay.
Find
Right
Find a quarter, then
quarter
you
circle.
find the triangle.
Good. Then you minus, correct?
Then you minus the area of the quarter with the area of the triangle.
Okay, good. So that's the method. You all understand the method? All of you understand? So if you understand, then you can find this thing. Because this part down here is the same. Is the same now. So you find the area of the quadrant, quarter of the circle, minus the triangle, you get 1. Then you times 2, you get 2. Can you see now? Because now, okay, now I draw another one out of here. This now is one triangle. Okay, it's one triangle. Another triangle down here. So you have a quarter down here. Can you see this quarter? This is like that, without this part. But now we do it the other way. This is also the other side. If you find this quarter of the circle minus the triangle, you get this part. And then you find the quarter of the circle minus this triangle, you will get this part. This part is the same because this is all 7, so it's a square. So you find one of these, you times 2, you get the answer. So we ask Sophia to share the screen again, and all of us will do the question. Can you share the screen? Yes, this is from your textbook, I think. Workbook.
Okay.
So what you need to do.
You find the.
You cut. Can you cut down here? Go and cut this thing. Can you use someone annotate who Sophia annotate? You cut. Can? Your cut is wrong, wrongly cut. You cut the cake wrongly. I want to cut straight line down here, so that this becomes a triangle. Like that. So you draw down here, draw down. No, I said thing like this girl. How come you cut the way you cut the cake wrongly? Okay, cut. You all know what to do, right? Don't cut away. We want to cut here. You want to cut here. Means your hand is not stable.
I'm using my hand, sure. I'm using mouse. It's not
Mouse.
stable.
Okay.
I don't have
okay.
diabetes.
Okay, diabetes. Okay, Sophia, you try to cut it here so that you all can see very clearly what to do.
Cut it where?
There, like that, in between, like having like this thing in between. You cut. No, not the way. This one here.
Okay, wait.
Make a triangle like you can see the triangle like that. So you cut down here. Like that. Okay, something like that. Another one down here. This one. Yeah. Okay, good. This one. So be careful if you're going to a cosmetic surgeon whose hand is not steady. Then you
Don't make fun of me.
Okay, no, I'm not making fun of you. Okay. All right. Okay. You try to do this one. Hey, why you remove? Okay, you all know what to do. You all understand, right? Okay, if you need to, why do you remove that? Find the total area of the unshaded parts. But you find the shaded parts first. Okay, not bad. Find the shaded parts first.
Can, sure.
Hmm?
Shaheed,
Yes.
it is can.
Yes, very nice, very nice. I don't know how you did it.
Lie.
Okay, beautiful, beautiful.
Wait, Mr. Shaheed, can I put something outside?
Yeah, you can do whatever you want, no problem. Okay, anyone? Sophia can do? Cannot do? Imagine you see only one triangle here, and then you have one this thing down here. Why did you find one part here? After that, you can times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you can find all of them. Then you find the area of the square. 14 times 28 times 28 minus the inside part here. You can do that. Shafika can do, Shafika. Okay, 2 more minutes before I'll show you how to do this. 2 more minutes, 2 more minutes.
Is the answer 448?
448 is one of the answers. Yeah, 448 is correct. 448 is for all the black part. You're correct. But they're asking you to find the white part. So take this area of the square minus 448 and you will get your answer. Congratulations, miss. Very good, huh?
The answer is the answer 336.
Congratulations, it is. Okay, then I will have to explain shortly. Okay, after I draw this, I will explain. So actually, it's not so tough. You know? It's just a longer method, lah. Just a little bit long, a little bit taxing. That's all. In terms of the number of steps, you got to do so many calculations. But never mind, you have gotten your calculator. Okay. So they say, Miss Sophia, come. Can you unshare the screen? Oh my goodness, the bottom. Okay. Can you unshare screen so that we can see? All right. So what you're supposed to do, they want you to find the inside part of here, which is here, 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 here. So you find the area of the square. What's the length of the square? 14 plus 14. 14 plus 14 is 28. This is 28, this is 28. So 28 times 28, you'll get 784, I think. All right, 784. This is the area of the square area. So later at the end, you take the area of the square minus these blue parts. But first, we must find what is one blue part. Now, just now, I gave you just one only, one triangle here. Right? This is a triangle, then the quadrant. Then remember, I asked you to find this part of here. This is what I gave you just now. So what we do, we find, okay, we know this is 14, this is 14. Let's find the triangle, this triangle here, this one, this kueh lapis here. Okay, we find, so half times base times height, half times 14 times 14, and you will get, half times 14 times 14, how much you get? 98, I think. Is it 98? 98, right? Can you just check 14 times 14 times half? Yeah, it's 98. So this here is 98. So let us find the quadrant. Quadrant is quarter of the circle. First, we need to find the whole circle, then the answer divided by 4. So its formula is pi r squared equals to 22/7 times pi down here is 14. 14 times 14. Cancel 1, cancel, get 2. So 22 times 2 times 14. If you times out, you get 616. Then 616 you can divide by 4. How much do you get? 616 divided by 450. 159, is it? So now this is area of one quadrant. Take 159 minus 98 minus the triangle, and you will get 61. Am I correct? My answer is 61, correct? Eh? Now 61 is for just one part down here now. This part here. Now how many parts do you have? Well, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this answer 61, you must times by 8. What do you get? 488. 448. 6 times 8. 6 times 8 is 48. Is it 448 or 4? My calculation is wrong, is it? Girls, you must correct me if I'm wrong. No, let's see. Okay, hold on. Let me just calculate now. Okay, I'm doing mentally, you see. 22 divided by 7 times 14 times 14. 616 is correct. 616 divided by 4. 154. This part of here is wrong. 154. So 154 minus 98, what do we get? You get 54 plus 2, 56. So 1 down here is 56. This one is 56. So this is also 56. This is also 56, 56. There's 8 of them. So take 56 times 8. 56 times 8, how much you get? 440. So these blue pieces is, all these blue pieces is 448. Just now at the very beginning, we calculated the area of the square, the big square is 784. So 784 minus 448.
336.
But the most important thing is for you to understand. In order to understand this, you must be able to understand how to find this one small piece first. So
Please,
if you
I want to screenshot.
yes, you can screenshot. You will also be having the video
Thank
there.
you.
I will put it. Is it enough? No.
Wait, further. Yeah, okay.
Okay. All right. Now let us go back to the other question. Let us see whether, I do not know whether the other 3 girls are there. One is raising hands there for a long time. You might get a cramp. Okay, let's try this one. At a stationary fair. Okay, so now we can think in terms of sets now. All right, now let us go step by step. Okay, let us go step by step for this one. Okay, this one is a little bit tricky. Okay. Chailin, she bought 4 more files, and each file cost $2. So imagine now, she did not buy 4 more files. Imagine she did not buy 4 more files. What will happen? If she didn't buy 4 more files, that means, what is the cost of 4 files? 4 times 2 is $8. That's the cost of the 4 files. So imagine she didn't spend the $8. Okay? She didn't spend the $8. Okay? Then we have equal number of files and pens bought. You have to understand this part. Do you understand this part? If she didn't buy the 4 extra pens, 4 more pens, she would have equal number of files and pens. Then we can count as a set. What is set? Okay, one set of file and pen is equals to the price. You see, I must write cost of one set of file and pen equals to what? Equals to, well, they tell you one file costs $5. $5 plus $2. $7. So one set is $7. Okay, this is for your understanding. Okay, so there's a few ways of getting the answer. I'm going to show you a way that let's see whether you understand. So now let's say let us look at the difference in price. Okay, these are things you need to know. Difference in prices between what? Between the file and the pen. Okay, the file is $5. The pen is $2. So the difference in price is $3. Do you understand this difference in price? Okay, now.
Mr. Shaheed, if we
yes.
do the 4 times 2, $4 right? For the first whatever, right? Do we get marks? Do we get like 1 mark?
No.
Oh, okay.
You must, okay, if you do that, they may or may not give you marks, but you must show how it links to your strategy of solving this question. Like for example, down here in this case, this one is not important in this question, but it's important for your understanding. That's why I'm explaining this. So if you write this, you will not get extra marks. The marks, how do they give? They will look at the steps in solving. This part is not for solving, they might not get marks. So if they say this one is you get half a mark, 1 mark, they'll give you 1 mark. That means you got this working in. So now, this one now you must know. This one is needed, this one is important, okay? Okay, this one is also important. Important for what? For the marks. This one is important for understanding. So I need to explain to you so that you understand. So now, if you understand this, we are going to look at, if you understand, 1 pen is $2, 1 file is $5. So 1 set of 1 pen and 1 file is 5 plus 2, 7. So let us now explore what happens. What happens if we buy the same number of files and the same number of pens, okay? So let's say now you have this now is a file. Oops. This now is a file. And this is a pen. If you buy one, what's the difference? $5. So 1 is $5. So 1 is $2. The difference is $3. You understand this one? Understand, huh? Okay, now I do not know whether you all understand. Zahira, her head is bobbing up and down. I do not know the other two. I don't know where they are. Husna, Shafika, she might be somewhere, or might be together. Listen now. If you buy 2 files and 2 pens, this is together $4. This one is $10. What's the difference? The difference is 10 minus 4. The difference is $6. Why is this important? This is important because you have to look at the question. The question says, this is where we look at the question, and the question tells you something. It gives you a clue. The question says, let us look at the question. She spent this part, this is the key. She spent $28 more on files than pen. This is now telling us the answer. But this is when there are 4 more pens. So let's imagine the 4 pens are not there. Let's imagine the 4 pens are not there. So the amount spent on the files more than the pens, you have to plus another $8. Now this part, if you don't understand, you'll be stuck. Okay, so down here now, okay, let me just show you this one again. She spent $28 more on a file than a pen. Okay, in order for you to do this question, I have to give you another question. Okay, I have to give you another question. Okay, you have to do this one, okay? You have to do this question. Chailin bought the same number of files and pen. 1 pen costs $2. 1 file costs $5. She spent, okay, let's see, $15 more on the files than the pen. How many files did she buy? So down here, when we are, okay, this is the question. You have to understand the question. In order for you to do that question, that is quite an advanced question. Just like just now, Sophia showed the area of the pie, or no, it looks like an apple pie or something like that. That is also a complex question. I needed to show you how to find the smaller one first. You need to know how to find 1/4 first, then you can find out how to do the whole complex one. Same thing, in order to do that question, you must be able to do this. So girls, Zahira, Rahana, Shabika, and Sophia, please do this. Same question, only thing, she bought the same number of files and pens. Just now, she bought 4 more pens. Now we are not looking at 4 more pens. We are doing now slightly easier. Charlene bought the same number of files and pens. 1 pen costs $2, same as in the question. 1 file costs $5. She spent $15 more on the files than the pens. How many files did she buy? Okay, you try. If you know, Alhamdulillah. Same number. She bought same number of each. Can you read my handwriting? I hope you can read my handwriting. Come, Sophia. Try, Sophia. What happened? Who are you talking to? Can you read my handwriting, Sophia? Can, huh? Okay. Again, I read to you the question if you cannot understand my handwriting. Charlene bought the same number of files and pens. Each pen cost $2. Each file cost $5. She spent $15 more on the files than the pens. How many files did she buy? Zahira, can you? Anyone got the answer? Okay, 1 more minute, and I have to explain this question.
Wait.
Oh, 2 more minutes then. Maybe Raihana is the only one focusing now. Oh, you have done. Can I see? Sophia, you solved it. What's your answer?
No, that wasn't.
Then what was it? Draco. Aduh, dia kira kan Draco.
I know, but I
Almost there.
understand the question, but I don't know how to write.
Okay. What's your answer?
No, but I know
Okay.
I understand, but I don't know how to write it down.
Okay. No problem. Okay. I'm going to show you now. Okay. Zahira, can I show?
I think we are wasting our time with this question.
Why we say that we're wasting time? Because
this question is so hard.
no. Okay. So now I'm going to ask you. Okay. We're going to draw it here. We ask Miss Sophia, 1 file is how much? 1 file.
One what?
File.
One five.
File.
Oh,
One file.
One file is $5.
$5. Good. And then one pencil is
$2.
$2. So if let's say Charlene bought 1 file and 1 pen or pencil pen, how much more did she spend on the file than on the pen?
$3.
$3 more. So this would be $3 more. So 1 file is $3 more. If 2 files will be how many dollars more?
$6.
$6. So now if 3 files,
$9.
9. If 4 files,
$12.
if 5 files,
$15.
15. Hey. So she bought, because she
5
bought
units.
5 units, so she bought 5 files. She bought 5 files and 5 pens. But you see, I can only use this method. So what's the shortcut method? I'll find the difference between them. 5 is very simple. 5 minus 2 equals to 3. And then 15 divided by 3. I get 5 sets. Okay, that means she bought 5 files and 5 pens. Okay. The question asks you how many files she buy. These are your number sentence. But the question in the paper is a little bit tougher because it is not the same number of files. Not the same number of files as the pens. So now they say she bought how much? 4 more down here. Okay, so I draw the 4 more pens. 4 pens is $8. So 1 pen is $2. So let's imagine we don't include this 4 pens. They say the difference between the two is $28. But this is with the 4 pens. So now we put in the price of the 4 pen into here. So you get $36. 36. Imagine now there's only the same number of pens and files. So we have to add the $8 here. Why $8? Because just now the figure have to minus the 4 pens also, because the difference between the files and the pen, there's 4 more. So now we forget about the 4. We imagine there are same number of pens, same number of files. So we must plus the 8 back, because just now we minus it off. So 36 is when we $36 is the difference between the price of the file and the pen. So now we just take 36 instead of 15 divided by 3. If 36 divided by 3, you get 12. So there are 12 files. And pens now you must plus 4 more because there's 4 more pens bought. Is 16. Now I think I lost you here.
Mr. Shaheed, what question is this?
This is
Question
the one
7.
question. Yeah, question 7.
Okay,
this
we
is the
just
question.
spent almost 1.5 hours on 7 questions.
Yes, because it's paper 2. That's why if you notice, I spend most of my time on paper 1 first, because you need to master the earlier parts. Otherwise, it's no use to teach you the more difficult part. You see, in order for you to do this question, I need to teach you this question. In order for you to do the area question, I need to teach you something simpler. So it's okay, no problem, no problem. Now we are attempting paper 2 already. So we have to do it. Let's move on. Don't worry. Okay, this one, you try to watch the video, see whether you can get it. Let us move to question number 8. Don't be scared of question number 8. It looks scary. I just read to you. Mr. Ali wanted to make a stool. Okay, this is a stool from blocks of wood. And then they give you 10 cm by 60 cm. by 20 cm. They are giving you the height, the length, the breadth. You know, it's something to do with volume. And then they tell you, he cuts the wood into 3 parts, A, B, and C, in the ratio of 4, the length, 4:3:3. So you can see total how many parts, total what is the length. Total how many parts, total what is length. 1 part is equals to how many cm. You can find out. And then after that, he nails 2 smaller pieces to part A. These 2 small pieces, you put it to part A down here. That means B is put down here. C make it like that. So now it becomes like this. This is A. Okay. This is B. This is C. All right. So now, find the height of the stool. That's what they say. Can you try? Not too difficult. This thing is in your mind. If you think you cannot, means you cannot. Shafika, you there, Shafika? I can't answer. I feel very sad. You're there. Okay, try this question, Shafika. See if we can do it. It's not too tough. It's not too tough. Are you sick, Shafika? You sound a little bit sick. Huh? Okay, I give you some clues here. This one looks difficult, but it's not. This is 4 units. 3 units. 3 units. You can find out this total is 10 units. 60. 1 unit is how many? Then you can find this. You can find the height here. Okay, we want you to find A only. Just A. Sorry? What's the answer?
I don't know how to do this type of questions.
No problem, no problem. Don't give up. You wait 1-2 minutes more for your friends.
I think I know.
No, this is 4 parts. 3 parts, 3 parts. How many parts altogether? 4, 3. 4, 3, 3. How many parts on here? Altogether.
Wait, I need to ask Sophia something. The answer? Oh, wait.
Mr. Shaheed,
Mm-hmm.
why you suddenly change to 7:30?
Just now,
Rather he
my
got me
account, on Friday, so my account was used by someone else. It's actually the company that I'm a consultant to. So I tell them I have a tuition, but they were using it. So there's only one person who can use the account, which is me, but I allowed them to use, so I'm stuck. I have to stop their meeting actually. These are the people who send me to Cambodia. So because of that, I had
So
no
why don't
choice.
you just make another account on your phone?
Yeah, but if I make another account, it's only 40 minutes.
No.
This one, we can discuss
No,
1.5
if I
hours.
make, sure, no, if I do also later, I can choose until 90 minutes.
You gotta pay, you know. I'm paying for it.
No, but because now I'm signing right to my own account. If I want to go make a meeting, I can make it until like 90 minutes or 9 hours.
Yeah, are you sure? You try. It's only 40. In free account is 40.
Okay, next.
Okay. Yours is paid account, is it?
Because I just sign in, then they say that if I want to do a meeting, I can do on 90 minutes.
All right. I'm now going to show you to you. Zahira, you know.
Yeah, I got the answer 20.
30 is very close.
20.
20 is somewhere there. But okay, let us see here. Now, let us
No. Wait.
This is 4 units. This is 3 units. This is
No,
3
my
units.
answer's not 20. Wait.
How much is it?
28.
Yes, 28 is correct. Well done.
Oh, wow.
Congratulations. Okay, total number of units.
Yes.
I got 22 eh.
22. Okay, let's see. Okay, total number of units is how many? It's 10, correct? 10 units. You see? 4, 3, 3. 4 plus 3 plus 3. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. So 10 units is equals to 60 cm. 1 unit is how much? 60 divided by 10. You get how much? 6 cm. So now this is 4 units, you know. So A is 4 units. 4 units how much? 6 cm is 1 unit is 6 cm. 24. So from here to here is 24. So from here to here is 24. Is 24. No? And then what about the next one? Okay, this one is 3 units. 3 units, so is how much? 3 units is 3 times 6, right? 3 units, 3 times 6, how much is it?
18.
18, good. So now they ask you very simple question. 3 units is 18. Now look at, remember 3 units is 18. So look at this. This C and B, they put it like that. So this is 18 cm, correct? This one is also 18 cm. So down here is 18 cm. This one is also 18 cm. Down here, A is like that, normal. It's 10 cm. So 18 plus 10, 28. Okay? Can you see now? Okay, you try lah. You try this as homework if you can. Okay, I will forward you the paper lah. If you want to do, or we will do together. You prefer to do together, we can continue in the next lesson. But next lesson, I think I might be starting on a new paper 2. I want you to develop the confidence in doing paper 2. You can do it. You can do it. If you can do paper 2 already, like many of you can do, let's say now, Sophia, first 2 questions, you got it correct. It's paper 2 question, not so easy. You can get it right. Raihana also, Zahira also. So you make sure that,
Sure.
yeah,
Class finish already.
yeah, we finished already, yeah.
How finish?
Yeah, 7:30 to 9.
9:30.
9:30. Yeah, but the rest don't want to have 90. We test, okay? Sophia, you want until 9:30 or 9 o'clock? Sophia is not listening, see? Zahira, you prefer 9:30 or 9 o'clock?
9.
9, see? So
You know,
everyone
okay,
wants
if they
9.
all say 9.
Okay. So, okay, I have not eaten also. So, I will see you then on Friday. If at any time this happens again, I will have to shift to 7:30.
Wednesday?
Wednesday? Today is Wednesday, right?
Oh, I thought today is Sunday.
No, Sunday. Oh my goodness, Sunday at 9. Okay, then you take care of yourself. All the best. Continue studying. Watch the video, please. And salam
Sure, I
alaikum.
got
Yeah?
Bye.